Hello all. So today we're on Bridgewater Canal. I'm going to take you down to my local garden centre. We have a koi pond there. Well, I say koi pond, it's just a garden pond that they have in the garden bit. So I'm going to take you down there, show you that, but I thought on the way I could just film bits of the canal and some of the canal boats. If that's something you're interested in, get a look at them. So I'll just spin you around and you can see what I'm seeing. Let's avoid this mud. So we'll just get ourselves underneath this bridge. Morning.
Morning.
Yeah, so I've put my wide angle lens on me Osmo Pocket 3. So see if that's any better and see how it works out with that. Now you've got these over here. Zoom in there. Do you know, I'd love one of them there. Live there with a canal boat on the back of that. That'd be quite cool, wouldn't it? Really good. So yeah, we'll just carry on and we'll film some of these boats. Hi duckies. Hello little ducks. Whack whack. I'll be cold on your feet. So we're just coming up to a few of the boats now. So I'll be able to show you them. There's a hen, that must just be a hen, and there are more hens. Just a hen, more hens. Sorry, private joke. So you have nice canal boats like that, and then you have boats like that no one touches. Which I never seem to understand why. You have the boat, why not at least make it look nice? This side we have here is the marina. It's the one off Halton Road in Runcorn. So looks pleasant enough. I think if I was going to get a boat, that's where I'd go, I suppose. Used to have a big double boat here, but obviously it's gone. Must have sold it. It was there on the end. Sold it. There's just a hen again. Here as well, we're on the flight path for Liverpool Airport. Sorry, Liverpool John Lennon Airport. So that's the mooring. Or the marina. So I'm just going to take this lens off now and see how difference it makes. So I stand here, that's with it off, and that's with it on. Makes a little bit of a difference. Just hoping it doesn't affect the viewing on you. Morning. Another dirty boat. So no one seems to want to clean. Oh, I'd be out there with my scarlet pad on that, giving that a good clean. Come on. Oh, on iMagic I've got 2 dogs that walk and the leads hold themselves. That's proper magic. Whoop, one of them's having a wee. Peggy! 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 Hi. A little bench. Wonder if it's dry. Oh, a little sit on the bench. Nice little bench. So if you come down here and you want to rest, you can just have a little look. You can put your feet up. How safe's that? And if it'll hold me, it'll hold you. Right, so these over here are houses that were started in 2019. And I know we had, let me just zoom you in. I know we had COVID. Yeah, so they're still not moved into. 4 or 5 years they've been making them. So then on the back of them is Webb's Building Merchants, where I'm going to go and show you this pond. I mean, hopefully the fish will be up, but it's a bit cold, so they probably won't. Right, so I'm just going to cross over this bridge now, and then over there, and then we get into Webb's, and the pond is just behind that. So I'll see you when I get in there. Right, so I'm here now at the pond. I'll just give you a little spin round. So these are the filters. Here there's 2 pressure filters. Spin clean 12,000 times 2. It does the job. Like I said, they used to have a net on here, but the herring used to come in and used to have to rescue it every day. So I'll show you some of these big ones. There's the goldfish come to say hello. Seems to be a lot of goldfish now. There never used to be as many. Obviously I know they breed. All the big ones are hid around there. Two big fellas there. First stand back and let you see it from afar. And that's it. So now I've shown you that, what I'll do now is I'll go up onto the canal with my drone. I'll come over, give it a little view from above and see how it is. I'll spin you around again because they're back. Okay, so this is the pond from above with me drone. Just doing a voiceover now because obviously my drone doesn't have any sound. And when I was out I forgot to take my mic with me. That records internally. So that's my DJI Mic 2. It's a transmitter and receiver built into the mic, you see. So I didn't have the voiceover, so I'm doing it now for you. So yeah, I'll just show you the pond from above. You can see a couple of the fish there. So now I'm just going to show you these houses that they've been building from above, just so you get a better idea of it. I mean, it's probably no interest here, but I just thought while I was on the Bridgewater Canal doing my walkway, it's just something interesting, isn't it? I mean, it still baffles me how it's took them so long to actually build them. I don't even know when people are going to be moving in, to be fair. So probably another 4 years. And all them at the back there as well that you can see above, they took about 4 or 5 years. I think they went bust, the company. So they have to, when they come to redo them again, they had to take all the roofs off because they were all soaking wet. So that was the delay now. But the delay on these ones, I don't know what that was. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go along the canal. Try and get myself under this pipe, just slow manoeuvres. Because it always scares me when I go over water in case I go too low and then it confuses the drone and it drops into the water, which is never good. These two lads here on the left, as I was walking along the towpath, they've got the fishing rods and I was having a little chat to them. Seemed two respectable young lads, just fishing. They were fishing for pike, something I've never been into. I've never been into just sitting fishing along a canal. I think it's probably my restless legs that stops me doing that. But yeah, there's the two lads there. They're going to spend the day fishing. So they were wrapped up well. So in here on the right is the marina again. I think it's called a marina. So where them canal boats are moored up. Just take a flight here. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn you around so you can see the Mersey Gateway Bridge. I mean, you're not going to see it to its best effect, but I'll just go up a little bit. I'll spin it round to the left and I can show you the Mersey Gateway Bridge then. And then what I'll do then, once we've let you have a quick look at the Mersey Gateway Bridge, you just see the 3 towers, Fiddler's Ferry in the background. We only have 4 towers now instead of the 8. 4 got blown up last year, on purpose, not by accident. That's the Mersey Gateway Bridge, which now charges you £2 to come into Runcorn. That's the old Silver Jubilee Bridge, which also charges you £2 to come in and go out of Runcorn. That's Asmore Industrial Estate there on the right. Seagulls coming after me drone. Not very happy with me. So that's just a little bit there of the marina. So what I'll do now, just go back up the canal. I have a little mess about on that bridge with my drone. Just duck under it, come back from it, give you a little wave, and then I end it there. The only problem with drone flying, it's you've either got to talk all the way through it or put music over it. So I'll just take the opportunity to give you some information. On Monday, 6 PM tomorrow, I'll be going live. I'll be doing my prize draw. Sorry, I'll be doing my duck race, not a prize draw, it's a duck race. To win some cups and a pen. I'll link the video to this of how you can enter. I did have the cut off at 6 PM tonight, but what I'm going to do, I'll leave the cut off and I'll pause the comments tomorrow about 4 o'clock just to give you every chance to enter. All you need to do is watch the video that's linked to this video. Comment yes please in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Give us a like, and then you'll be entered into the competition. We'll do the duck race live on Monday night at 6 PM. So that's Monday the 6th at 6 PM. I'll be alive and we'll go from there. See you soon. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to spin you around. Hello. I was talking to myself because I thought my other mic worked and it wasn't. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spin you around now. I'm just going to shoot you up the canal. Take you for a little fly up there. And what I'll do is I'll just turn you back around, bring you back to me, and then I'll make my way home. I mean, I'm recording this the day after, but rumour has it was going to snow. I mean, we're going to have a bit of snow in Runcorn. So, obviously, if you hang on with the video, we got some snow on the Sunday morning, and I'll take you down to the pond, show you the pond, show you the fish at the bottom, because obviously they're resting now. So we've had a little bit of snow. My dogs have been out first and ruined it, but I've still got a bit that's untouched. So we'll go down the pond and have a look. My untouched bit. Oh, no snow. Sorry about the flashing lights. They can be a bit annoying. Let's turn them off here. There we go. A bit dark, but there we go. Fish all fast asleep down there. But there's no snow. Snow. No snow.